students. This is Sharon Davis, your instructor for college algebra. I wanted to jump on here and do this quick video to introduce you to the course and make sure you know how to access your assignments. So on the screen now you can see that I am at the MCC homepage. From there I click on My Path and then go to Blackboard Learn. Here you will find a listing of all your courses. I'm going to click on Courses and find our Math 150 course. When you open that, you will see our Math 150 Blackboard course. Now, one of the first things you'll see over here is a Start Here course overview module. This is where you want to start and open that module. One of the first things you'll see in this module is the online orientation. You will want to do this online orientation as soon as possible. This is a requirement for all MCC online students. So you want to complete this. It should take you less than an hour. And you will receive an email when you have completed it, confirming you have completed the online orientation. Forward that email to me. So you want to take care of that ASAP. After you've done that, you can look through the rest of the information in the course overview, which will include the course syllabus and the course schedule. Read that syllabus thoroughly and completely. It contains all the detailed information about this course. So you want to read that thoroughly and completely and take a look at all the other information in the overview module. So after you've done that, then you will see that there's a listing of weekly modules. So this is where you will go each week to see your weekly assignments. Right now there's 8 modules listed, which will take us up to midterm. And in a few weeks I will be adding the rest of the course modules. But right now you will see the first 8 weeks. So you want to start with week 1 and open that module. And each weekly module starts with an overview. Very important to read the overview so you can see how to proceed through the week. So the overview will give you a list of tasks for the week, along with the learning objectives for the week. You want to look at those very carefully and line out what you need to do for the week. For example, for week 1, it reminds you to watch the Getting Started video, which you are watching right now. It reminds you to complete the online orientation. And then after that, the tasks are, for week 1, watch the videos posted for section 1.1. In the week 1 module, take notes just as you would an in-person lecture. So that's your first task, to watch the videos. And then the next one is complete the homework for section 1.1 posted in My Lab Math All Assignments. So there's your task for the week, and at the end it reminds you to email me if you have any questions. So that's the overview. When you close out the overview, you can see links to all those tasks that were in the list. So there's a link to the syllabus. If you haven't read that yet, you do that. And then there is a link to the videos that were mentioned in the overview. So you want to watch those videos. You see that I'm recommending that you watch those before Wednesday and take notes just as you would an in-person lecture. And then there's a link that says My Lab Math All Assignments. This is where you're going to actually find your homework questions. It's in a program called My Lab Math. So you can click on that. It will prompt you to open a new window. And you will see a list of your homework and tests for the course. And you can see that for the first week, due on Sunday night before midnight is section 1.1. So you want to click on that. Now, when you open a homework in the MyLab program, on the left you will see the media assigned with that homework. This is the textbook and another short video that goes along with this assignment. There's also some interactive animations to watch before starting the homework questions. So you want to look through all of this media on the left before you start the homework questions. In fact, it's required. You're required to click on each one of these media on the left before you are allowed to open and start the homework questions on the right. So this is introduction to what the MyLab program looks like. Notice it's reminding you up here that there's a 10% per day per question completed after the due date. So there is a late penalty. So that's due Sunday before midnight, as is most of your homework assignments. All right. So MyLab Math is where you find those homework assignments. Then there's also a link for extra help from your instructors. So I will be making videos throughout the semester and posting them in the extra help area. I base those on questions that you and your classmates send to me. If you send me a question about a specific problem, I will usually work out that problem, make a video, and post it in the extra help section. And then there's also in your module a link to the grade book in MyLab. This will let you see all the grades for each of your individual assignments in the MyLab grade book. And that's the end of your task for week 1. And then next Monday, you can start week 2. But this is just a short introduction. I will be making more videos throughout the semester to help you with specific items. For example, when you take the first quiz, I'll make a video to help you navigate how to take a quiz in this course. But this is just the first introductory video, and I hope this helped. Email me with any questions you might have.